How to maximize your Celluma Sport if you're a massage therapist. First of all, you'll figure out exactly what area needs to be treated with light therapy. And let's say you're doing a 1 hour massage and the client has a low back problem. What you'll do is put the Celluma Sport on the low back. You'll want to have it on that area for at least 15 minutes. You can easily be massaging other parts of the body while the light therapy device is on the low back. What I would do is focus on the low back for 15 minutes and then I would move it to the upper back because, of course, the whole body is connected. Where there's tension in the low back, there's going to be tension in the glutes, and there's also going to be tension in the middle back. Low back for 15 minutes, middle back for 15 minutes. You'll be working other areas, and then by the time you're finished working on the legs, the feet, the arms, you can go and do the massage on the low back and the middle back. The nice thing about having the Celluma Sport on the area before you go and work on it is a couple of things will happen. You'll bring more blood flow to the area, the muscles will be warmed up, and some of the inflammation will have exited. Do you want to just be treating your client one time with light therapy, or have you created a light therapy treatment for the low back? When we look at the science of light therapy, it's based on the cumulative effect of light therapy. So some studies are based on treatments that are done 3 days in a row. Some studies are based on treatments done 5 days in a row. Some studies are based on treatments done every second day. What I do in my clinic, if a client is looking for a fast track to get out of pain, I do 3 treatments 3 days in a row. I have medical lasers in my clinic, and it's interesting, even though they're two different companies, they have the same foundational training, which is treating your client 3 days in a row. If your client cannot come 3 days in a row, that's all right. But I'm always looking for a way to fast track my clients' results. When I work with people in the clinic, that's what they're looking for, is how quickly can I get out of pain? If you're just adding light therapy in to loosen up the muscles, increase the circulation, then you don't have to think about creating a cumulative result. But I will tell you that when you start thinking about using light therapy and using it as a treatment, not just while you're doing the massage, but a treatment that the client can come back to, that's when you'll really be able to help your client experience the benefit of light therapy combined with massage. If you're a business owner wanting to add light therapy into the services you're already doing, or you would like to create a standalone service, click the link below. It'll bring you into my free business course that'll give you some tips and strategies that you can start using in your business today to help your client maximize their results and to help you maximize your results with light therapy.